Tonight the snow is falling soft and slow, a quiet glow in every window. And though the year has carried joy and tears, I'm grateful you are here. So let the lights all shimmer warm and bright, a gentle comfort in the winter night. Come close and let the world just disappear. Christmas finds us here. Hold me near. Let this moment linger long and clear. In this peaceful time of year, hearts can learn to shine again. Love can softly rise again. And if tomorrow brings a brand new start, I'll walk it with your hand upon my heart. For every hope and dream we hold so dear, Christmas finds us here. Come close and let the world just disappear. Christmas finds us here.